Hello, my friend. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and let me just tell you, I am very excited to show these products to you today. First, before we do anything, if you are or if you purchased our club stamps this month, you can now get on our website the matching dies. So those of you that are in the stamp club, you want the matching dies. Now you can add the dies to come together, but if you don't want to do that and you just want to buy some dies and not all the dies, guess what, my friends? The dies are now available. If you're not in the stamp club and you bought the stamps, now you can get the dies that match. Yay. Okay, now I'm going to show you, and because I know it doesn't look like much, I will show you. Remember, well, first of all, you remember we did our Happy Thanksgiving. We also have our Happy Halloween. Well, rest assured, my loves, yes, we now have a Happy Holidays and wait for it, a Merry Christmas. We did something a little different this time. We did it as a double duty. So you get both. You get Happy Holidays and Merry Christmas. That way you don't have to pick between the two, right? Because that would be hard. Sometimes you want to say Happy Holidays. Sometimes you want to say Merry Christmas. So because you're buying them together, you do save money, which is very, very good. We all love that, right? And you get both. So now club members, of course, you're getting the club discount. First 24 hours are on the website. They're also on flash sale. And you're getting the bundle discount because there's two there. So yeah, save even more. This is on our big Jingle Bell A2 fold-it card. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Now, let's look at some other. Oh, I almost forgot. We also are releasing, remember this cute little fold-it, the turkey, which I absolutely love. Well, he also has a wax seal that matches. So he's holding it. I hope you can see it. We're releasing these. These are very, very limited. Once they're gone forever. It does come with the handle, and I love the handle on this one because it's a natural wood. It is so pretty. But it is our cute little turkey, and I've been playing with it all morning. But here we go. Here's a cute little version. I hope you can see it because it's just so dang adorable, and I love him, and it's so cute. But look, he's holding a picture of himself or a wax seal of himself. I love that. So those are all these items are now available on the website. Keep in mind, the wax seals are limited edition. Now let's jump in and look at some more of our samples. Here's a fun one, Happy Holidays. Beautiful. Here's another Happy Holidays. So you're going to find these are extremely versatile. Happy Holidays. You always need those words, right? You always just need words. Die words are probably one of our biggest sellers because you always need a new font, you need a new design, and this one fits just about everywhere, right? So here we go. This is on our grand side fold card. Here's on an A2 card base. Here it is. Oh my goodness gracious. On a stocking, fold it. So cute. Or look at this. On a coffee cup, fold it. Now, I can picture this. Picture making this for your postal worker, for your UPS driver, for your FedEx driver, for anyone like the babysitter, the dog walker, anybody in your life that needs a little tiny gift card just as a little thank you. This is perfect. Those of you that sell at craft fairs, you're allowed to do that, right? With our products, our angel policy is you're allowed to do it all. As long as you make it, you can sell it, make money, because guess what? You'll come back and buy more stuff, right? And then you never have to say, oh, I can't afford that because you're making money. We had another person said they did a craft show and they made $2,000 in a weekend. You guys, you have to do this. You have to do this. But so check this out. You could make a whole bunch of these. In both of them, people would go crazy. They would go crazy. So I'm just telling you, there's money to be made. Look at that. Happy Holidays. Now, this one is probably one of the easiest. I know it looks fantastically gorgeous, but die cut the icons, the holiday icons out of a background, out of foil. Add your die cutting Happy Holidays. Add a couple little sprigs. Add a stripe and 3 epoxy dots. Done. Have the kids that are in your life help you die cut. Let me tell you guys, they love to die cut. So my friends, boom, all of these items are on the website. The first 24 hours, you know the deal. They're on flash sale. 24 hours or until sold out. Go check them out, stampslife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.